Hey Marine Techs, Richie here from Promt Parts. Whether you're a seasoned pro or getting into engine rebuild, today's tip is for you. We are talking about needle bearing assembly grease for outboard motors. It's a game changer when assembling those finicky needle roller bearings in your outboard engines. The sole purpose of this grease is to hold needle rollers securely during installation but melts away at operating temperature, letting your engine's oil take over. Here's how it works. One of the trickiest parts of rebuilding engines is installing the individual needle rollers when fitting pistons to connecting rod. One of the best tricks I've learned is to simply add a thin coat of assembly grease to the wrist pin and the inside of the connecting rod. Roll the wrist pin up the needle rollers install everything onto the connecting rod as usual. On a hot summer's day you might struggle to get the rollers to stay in place. Cool the grease in the fridge for a few minutes before use and try not to hold onto the wrist pin for too long as your hands will warm up the metal, causing the grease to melt. Needle bearing assembly grease available from Promt Parts keeps your engine rebuilds efficient while maintaining good lubrication for the first fire up. Visit promptparts.co.nz and get yours today.